Hello, first graders. Today is Thursday, September 10th. So my turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn. Today is Thursday. My turn. Yesterday was Wednesday. Your turn. Yesterday was Wednesday. Good. Tomorrow will be my turn. Tomorrow will be Friday. Your turn. Tomorrow will be Friday. Very good. Today is September 10th, 2020. Your turn. Today is September 10th, 2020. Today is Thursday, September 10th. Tomorrow will be Friday, September 11th. And yesterday was Wednesday, September 9th. These are our words today. We are going to see the word, say the word, spell the word, and skywrite the word in the sky. Here we go. So see it, say it, and spell it. A. First. F-I-R-S-T says first. Good. G-O-O-D says good. Had. H-A-D says had. He. H-E says he. What's the word? He. I. What's the word? I. My. M-Y says my. What's the word? My. Was. W-A-S says was. What's the word? Was. Good. All right, now we're going to tap out these words. So I want you to get your hand out, set it down on a table, and every time we say a sound, we're going to tap our finger onto the table like this. S-A-D, sad. P-A-N, pan. Let's see if you can see my hand. Oh, maybe not. So your hand's on the table every time you touch the table. We're on this word right here. M-A-P, map. K-A-T, cat. T-A-N, tan. M-A-T, mat. P-A-T, pat. B-A-D, bad. Let's go through and read the words together quickly. Ready? Sad, pan, map, cat, tan, mat, pat, bad. All right, time for our sounds. This says vowel. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. This says consonant, and the consonants are all the other letters. Ah, ah, l, j. No English word ends in J. D, g, z, k, y, v. English words never end with the letter V. It's always followed by a silent E. R, w, qu. Q is always followed by a U. I, B, All right, good job. Give yourselves a pat on the back. That was excellent. Oops. Okay, we're gonna blend some words here. Let's get our short A sound in the middle. My goodness, it doesn't wanna. There we go. Here we go. Let's start. So you're gonna follow my little circle here and say the sounds as I point to them. At, hat. Good. At, cat. L, at, lat. At, sat. We're changing the ending sign to g. Ready? Ag, sag. Ag, hag. Ag, tag. Change that ending sound to n. Tan. Ban. Changing that ending sound to x. Ax, backs. Ax, dax. All right, we'll do this one last word here. Ending sound is d. Ready, begin. Ad, dad. All right, now we're gonna get our My Book out. Looks like this, My Book 1. And we are going to turn to page 33. It says My School Trip. Page 33. Remember, our essential question this week is, how can making new friends and learning new things help us? We're going to keep that in mind. I wonder if someone's going to make a new friend in this story today. So we're going to turn to page 33. 33 looks like this. If you need a little more time to go find your My Book 1 and turn to page 33, you can go ahead and click pause here on our video and go run and grab that. Here we go. My School Trip by Ali G. Mays, illustrated by Elisa Chavari. Remember to put your fingers under the words as I read. We took a school trip. First, we took a bus. Nan was my partner. Nan was new at school. Was Nan mad? Was Nan sad? Do you think Nan is mad or sad? What do you think? Someone today said they thought she was nervous. The trip was to Butterfly Garden. Pam had a butterfly. Dan had a butterfly. I wished I had a butterfly. I had a butterfly. Nan was sad. Why is he laughing? Because look, she does have a butterfly. She just doesn't know it. Nan had a butterfly. Nan was happy at last. Nan is my new friend. My school trip was great. All right, we're going to go back to page 33 and read the story one more time. This time we're going to read it my turn, your turn. My turn. My school trip. Your turn. Turn your page. Great job. My turn. We took a school trip. Your turn. Good job. My turn. First, we took a bus. Your turn. My turn. Nan was my partner. Your turn. Turn your page. My turn. Nan was new at school. Your turn. My turn. Was Nan mad? Your turn. My turn. Was Nan sad? Your turn. Finger under the. My turn. The trip was to Butterfly Garden. Your turn. My turn. Pam had a butterfly. Your turn. My turn. Dan had a butterfly. Your turn. My turn. I wished I had a butterfly. Your turn. My turn. I had a butterfly. Your turn. My turn. Nan was sad. Your turn. My turn. Nan had a butterfly. Your turn. My turn. Nan was happy at last. Your turn. My turn. Nan is my new friend. My school trip was great. Your turn. Good job. We're going to turn in our My Books 2 pages to page 44. And you're going to see a web there like this that looks pretty close to this. We are going to fill out this web together. Today during our live sessions, we came up with these things. What the girl likes is in the middle. That's in the middle already of yours. We talked about what the girl from the story liked, the girl who was telling us the story. She liked many things throughout the story, and we made this web to tell what she likes about her school trip. So we came up with that she likes the blue butterfly, so we wrote the butterfly and drew a butterfly. She likes that she gets to take the bus. She likes her new friend Nan, and she likes school trips. So you can go ahead, hit pause, and write these things that she liked from the story, or you can go back and look in your story, go back through the story, and find things that you found out that she liked. Maybe you'll find that she liked her school friends, she liked butterfly, maybe she liked her school lunch. You can go back through the story and decide what you think that Nan liked. All right, then once that's done, so you can go ahead, hit pause, fill out your web. Then on the next page, page 45, it says write in all capital letters. Then it says, now write a list of things that the girl telling the story likes about her trip. Remember to list the people, places, or things the girl likes. Use the words and pictures from the story and your web for ideas. So we can make a list. Today we came up with blue butterflies, ride the bus, to catch butterflies, her friend Nan, and Nan had a butterfly on her back, and school trips. Well, let's make our list a little simpler. So first we'll write butterflies. Then we can write bus, catch butterflies, Nan, and then we'll have school trip at the bottom.